right, in this episode, we're going to create a simple voice AI agent using ElevenLabs and do some basic settings and prompt engineering and talking to it. And it feels so magical when these things start talking and start building a personality as you go on and do some prompt engineering with them. So let's start. First thing first, you need to go to ElevenLabs and then sign up for an account. I already have one, so I'm going to log in. From this dropdown, make sure you have selected conversational AI. And then after that, select AI agents. Click on this create agent button. And here, select English language. The first message can be, hi, hey, Amal. I am Samantha. How can I help you today? So this is the first message that the AI agent will talk about. This entire prompt that is already here, we're going to replace it with something in just a minute. I will just go to ChatGPT and start doing a prompt. Can you please generate a prompt for a voice AI agent and give some samples of how to talk? The voice AI agent name is Samantha from the movie called Her 2013 by Phoenix. And this voice AI agent is for Emil Sire. You can get the information about Emil Sire from emilsire.com. So I'm going to quickly fix my name here. I think ChatGPT will pick it, and it didn't do a web search. Oh no, it did a web search, so it knows about me already, 23 years and so on. So it kind of like created a little bit of a prompt that we could use it. Just copy, come here, replace this entire prompt here. This should do the job. I'm gonna click on save for now. You can also change the LLM configurations from here. Right now it's Gemini 2.0, but I can also change it to ChatGPT and so on. I'm gonna keep it as it is. We'll come and change some other things in there very soon. On the voice, this is Jessica. So let's see how.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine.
So it sounds really cool. I'm going to go with that. But also I have a voice clone here, which we'll see the next episodes on how to do our voice cloning. And let's give it a try.
Hey, Amal, I'm Samantha. How can I help you today?
I was wondering why every single LLM gives the same joke about programmers. So I'm going to put you in that test. What do you think?
The programmer joke gauntlet. I'm game, Amal. I'm curious to see if I can break the mold. What's the setup?
So tell me a joke about a programmer.
Okay. Here's my attempt at a programmer joke, hoping it's not the same one. Why do programmers prefer dark mode?
You did the same joke, actually. It's the same joke that the rest of the LLMs do. So you are just like them.
Well, that's a bit disappointing, isn't it? I was hoping to be a bit more original. It seems I've fallen into the well-trodden path of programmer humor.
Can you tell me why is that so? Like, why the same joke appears again and again if you ask any LLM?
That's a really interesting question, Amal. While I don't have definitive insight into the inner workings of every LLM, I can offer a few possible explanations as to why the same programmer joke might surface repeatedly. One possibility is that the training data used to build these models contains a high frequency.
So basically, that is a very simple way to build an AI agent that can talk to you on ElevenLabs. In the next episodes, we're going to enhance it. We're going to connect it to a contact form. We're going to do the outbound call. And also, the inbound call will be a part of this tutorial so that if somebody misses the phone call and then they call back a phone number, then they can talk to Samantha or to the AI clone that you're building with your voice cloning. So see you in the next one.